Conway is a large infrastructure company. We look after a lot of the roadways, footpaths and assets within the London boroughs. We have to ensure that our drivers are driving safely, so there is no mobile interaction, inattentive driving, driving too close to other vehicles. We needed a system that was concentrating on the safety side of our drivers. We looked at several different systems, but the one that came out on top was clearly Samsara. Since adopting the AI dashcams, AI technology tells us when a driver is driving too close to the vehicle ahead. Now with Samsara we can look at the incidents and we can find out whether we can exonerate our drivers from any blame at all. We found out within the first 2 years of Samsara that we'd managed to reduce our insurance premiums by £200,000. It's about protecting our drivers, the members of the public and any other road user. DEFRA would like all businesses to be able to track digitally all waste, the workshops, metal, the recycling, even so far as the office and paper and cardboard. We need a system that can track all of that waste and digitally record where it's gone and who's dealt with it. Samsara can help us align with new regulations, particularly insofar as digital waste tracking is concerned. We're currently looking at digitalising a huge amount of what we would normally use paper-based items for. Our goal is to get everything in one place. Samsara is helping us to achieve that.